not use another road. They used the very same road.
That time,
Ngaleyo
kwaba ngabafundi abakhuluma noJesu.
it was the disciples that
Bathi hawu Jesu,
they said, Lord,
wesihlahla ukhulume kusizono.
the tree is not
Sesomile kusuka empandeni.
right from the root.
Ithi anza kaJesu.
By Jesus.
Kholwani uNkulunkulu.
Jesus says, believe.
Kholwani uNkulunkulu.
God.
Alright.
Okay.
Isho uthini?
What does it mean?
Balekani uJesu ekhuluma nesihlahla.
The time Jesus speaks to the tree,
Izwi likaJesu
the word of Jesus,
aliyanga kuma leaves.
it never went to the leaf.
Laya kuma roots.
It went to the roots.
Because these green leaves
Umani the leaf taken out of it.
generated from the roots.
Umani dikana kon mitako.
When we pray,
Harabe.
we must speak to the root cause of a problem.
Kamera kuwe ni mkali wa mkota.